Today we'll see the factory and how C24/7 is made, and we'll talk to the quality people about all the analytics and assessments they make and the job they do to ensure that you have such a consistent and fine product.
The C24/7, exacto within 5 minutes, it's fully absorbed by the body.
Wow! Nature's way!
Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds, but I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town.
The busiest machine that we have here at Nature's Way is our encapsulation machine that runs the C24/7 frame global.
And these two instruments combined cost us $250,000. In less than 6 minutes, it's completely disintegrated.